How to set a tip amount before ordering on Instacart. First of all, go ahead and launch the official application of Instacart on your device or simply open browser of your choice. In my case, I'll be using Google Chrome. Once you open it, head to the official site of the Instacart. Once you're here, proceed to build your cart from your favorite stores. Once you have built your cart, you should be able to find this green button on this bottom with a cart icon. Go ahead and tap on this, then proceed to checkout. Now, once you're here in this checkout option, scroll downwards and you should be able to find delivery tip section. All you have to do is simply find it and then tap on it, and you can proceed to type in your custom tip or simply select any of the preset percentage bubbles. Once you have done, all you have to do is tap continue and proceed to add your payment method and then place your order. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.